one that is on day before yesterday. Today some 3, 4, 5, 6 are login, so I asked them to log in today. VS Code we can open. VS Code editor. And in VS Code editor, you can go to the file. You have option called open folder. In file, we have option open folder. Then we can navigate our HTML folder. And then we can select the HTML folder will load here as a project. So whichever the file and folder we have inside, all will be visible. Right. So what I did, I opened the VS Code, go on to the file, and then I go on to the option called open folder. Under the open folder, there was an option called under the open folder. You selected you just browse your folder. Where is that? And after browsing, you found the HTML folder. Just click on that and click on select a folder. So that folder will get load here. That folder will get load here. Now next work is we have written some text. Okay. One file also I have created. This is the file or something else. One file we have created. Hold on. Page 1. One text file was there that I have made. This is the second file. This is the second file that we have just run and see how it was. It was something like this. This is the last file. Remember? Anyone? I have saved this file on different location. Okay, so one file I have created. Okay, so no problem. Come to the developer guide and look into that what we have written. The developer guide, even I have another file. Open file. I have written outside. This one. This entire content I should add under this developer guide. Okay, so in developer guide, we have discussed on many things. After that, we have reached directly while creating a file, what will be the extension of file. So file extension will be .html and htm. So while creating the file, we have to remember this. Anyhow, that is not big deal, you can remember easily. Now go for the, so right, today we have system with everyone. You have system anything, you can use that laptop. One laptop is here. So how many of you are using the system laptop? System or mobile or both? Using the system, okay. Let me know once in chat. You can reply either system or mobile or both. So one person replies, Rohit, okay. Office laptop cannot install anything. So he will not install anything. How will write the code? At least editor you have to install. No? Without installation of editor, how you manage?
So you can also code in Notepad. You save it as for
But Notepad is not user friendly. No, Notepad you will do 100 of mistake.
Yeah.
Hundreds of the mistake you will do. So what industry follow? We should follow the same lane. Industry follow the VS Code editor. You also follow from beginning. It will be helpful for you. Both options are there. If you want to come in online, you can join online. If you want to come in class, you can come in class. I'm in class only. Here also people are sitting. If you feel comfortable, you can come here. Else you can join online. Okay, so let's go. So we can write now next file. Create the next file. Everyone should follow. Okay. Next file you create. Give file name called page2.html. You can see left hand side there is option here. Page 2. VS Code editor is also installed for everyone. Open the VS Code editor, open the HTML folder and create a file called page2.html. File you can create from the first option. You will click on that. It will ask you file name. Give the file name, press the enter. Automatically this file will open here. We need to write in that file. Correct? So let's start from the not doc type. This doc type is required, but we'll not follow this. We'll follow once time will come, I'll guide you. Okay? So I start simple from here, HTML. We will write only those code as of now that is required at this moment. Related to standards, what and also be there inside the page for the multiple purpose. According to time, we will add it. But now we need only HTML, so write only HTML. Okay. Write HTML. Even I have told you that day why we write only HTML. Why we write HTML? Because we are informing to the browser saying like this document belongs to HTML. Yes. You are informing to the browser saying like this document belongs to HTML. Write inside one tag for head and write one more tag for body. Write, okay. If you write the code, it's helpful for you. Write it. head open close as well as body also open close. Now, first before writing anything in this file, understand the document structure. So in document structure, every HTML file should start from the HTML and end by HTML, whereas HTML to HTML will divide into two sections. One is called head part, another one is body part. Head usually will execute first. When the page execution will happen, first priority will go to the head part. Because under the head you have to call JavaScript, CSS, multiple libraries we have to call. So the head section will execute first and body section will execute second. Okay. You cannot set the sequence from our side. First body section will execute. It is the top to bottom programming. So compiler read from top to bottom. Yeah. Now coming inside, under the head, what and all we can write? We will go to the doc file, HTML guide page. We will make a note, then we'll come back. Okay. So HTML to HTML divided into how many blocks? How many sections? Two sections, head and body. Right. Come to the developer guide. Right here, a structure of HTML document. A structure of HTML document. A structure of HTML document. HTML file only head, HTML open close, head open close, body open. Right. Then after that, we wrote call a structure of HTML document. In that structure, what you follow? You follow like this. HTML you open somewhere, and after that HTML you divide it into two parts. One is called head, and another one is called a body. Head and body. Head and body. Now head will have sub-element that is called head will divide further. What will come under the head? Under the head, first section will come called a marketing section. Marketing section. Marketing section. After that, next will come library section. Library section. Marketing section as well as library section. Marketing section as well as library section. Right? When we come to the, even you can write one more line in the beginning called page setting. Page setting. Page settings. What is that page settings is like when the people will open this page, right? There can be the page will open in mobile phone. Some people will open the page in mobile phone. People will open in the laptop. People can open in the desktop. So your page is going to scale on a particular device or not. Your page is going to fit in the particular device or not. So that rule regulation also we have to add inside the page. Okay. So page setting I have written under the page setting, language setting will come, as well as you can say multiple property will come, digital marketing related settings will come, all will come. Marketing section I will write here inside only for the digital marketing. Digital marketing. When you search anything in the Google search, when you search something in the Google search, right? Some website will come in the first rank, some will go second, third, fourth, five. How it happen? That is again game of this part. For again, digital marketing. Okay. Digital marketing also have multiple rule regulations that we need to follow. When you come under the library section, what and all will come inside? I should write in the next line. Under the library section, it will come. CSS library will come. JavaScript library will come. Right? JavaScript will come. JavaScript. Other library will come. Entire library, what you are going to integrate with your project, it will come under the library section. Next, after that, under the body, what we need to follow? Under the body, we need to follow the suitable. We can write here contents with suitable tags. Right? Under the body, whatever you want to display the information to the user, everything we need to write under the body. I'll write here all the information for user. Whatever you want to display inside the page, everything should get written where? Under the body part. All the information should get written under the body part. Okay, बोलिए कौन सा कंपनी? क्या यहाँ से गया था डायरेक्ट था? ठीक है, हाँ बोलिए. मैं 3:30 को रिप्लाई करूंगा आपको. क्लास चल रहा है, खत्म करके 3:30 में रिप्लाई करूंगा. Okay, so all the content that you want to display to the user, that will come to where? Under the body, right? In that, some more things are there. That is called access object model. Like when you create a page and when you run the page inside the browser, like how the JavaScript will read each and every element with a relation, without relation. That is called access object model. That we are not at that level to understand. Okay, so that I'll guide you when you come under the CSS, not even in HTML. When under the CSS, HTML5 tags we have, HTML4 tag we have. While implementation of that, HTML5 tags are there that will guide us how we should write the tags. What should be the sequence of the tag? Okay, where access object model will work properly. When your compiler will read inside the file, or when the Google search will read the content, how the Google search, Google bots will find the relation between one content to other content. In some website, you will see the navigation in the left and content in the right. Correct? So how the search engine will identify the relation between one section and another section. Those come under the access object model, okay, as well as browser object model. So that we will discuss access object model under the CSS and browser object model under the JavaScript. Okay. Now we need to find out what is my content and what is the suitable tag for that. Using which tag I can display the particular information. Right. So this is the basic structure of your HTML document. Right. Now, yesterday, that last class, while leaving the class, I may have asked you something in that file saying like which tag is open first. In this file also you can see which tag is open first. HTML. Correct. And which is closed first. HTML. No, HTML is closed in the last time, right? So there is a rule for that, okay? If you will not follow that rule, again our access object model will be failed, okay? And browser DOM JavaScript library that is going to identify the element inside your page, that will also face the problem, okay? So we can write here two rules, and after that we'll come to the HTML. What is that? While creating web page, follow these rules, okay? While creating web page, follow these rules. What is that? Number one, the tag open first. The tag open first should get close in last. Should get close in last. The tag open first should get close in the last. Right? Okay, the tag open first should get closed last. So you can see in that file, HTML is open in the beginning and closing happening in the last. Rule number 2, you can write the tag open last should get closed. This one should get closed first. In that file, you can see body tag is open in the last. Body tag, and body tag is getting closed before HTML. Body tag is open in the last and body tag is getting closed before HTML, right? Okay. So hope you are writing somewhere in the system or maybe anything. Better you can write in the system. So within the week, very good practice will happen of operating the system also. Okay, now come to the page 2 file. Go to the body tag. In body tag, we will follow now sequence, the tags in the sequence. Like, if you remember, definitely you have remember it. I need to just remind you. Whenever you open any web page, in every web page, you will see one heading will be there in the beginning, right? When you go to the LinkedIn login page, in the big font size, they have written something. When you go to the register page, they also have written. When you go to the Gmail, they also have written in the big font size, create an account or login, correct? Go to the Facebook homepage, login page, they have written a very good font size, big font size saying like create account or login or sign up. Okay. Any page you go, whichever the page you open from any website, every page will have a headline. What that headline represent? Headline represent about the content of your current page. Suppose in one page is related called our services. Headline. A person will open the page, he will read the first line, call it our services. Now, instead of reading entire page content, within one line the user will understand, oh, this page belongs to where? Service of the company. Right? So, Google, when you are going to create a page and when you are going to publish your page and when your page will come in the market, people will start searching the page or your target will also be to come in Google search and many more things. Google said like, you have a website that I know. It's an e-commerce website. Like you, there is a multi-billion website in the world. Correct? And everyone requests me, please bring my page in the first rank. Please bring my page in the first rank. Now Google says to whom I should listen. I should listen you, I should listen him, I should listen him. To whom I should listen. Understood or not? Right? So, you will say, please display my page first rank. I will say, no, display my page first. Right? I will do my stuff to make it first rank. Google says, let's do one thing. Any one page will come in Google search, first rank, if you follow the rule regulation. So they have made multiple rule regulation. Every year, at least 1 or 2 rules will come related to content and web page. What should be the content structure and what should be inside your page and how it should be, right? So our not only search engine, user experience also. User experience is like if you have created a page called contact us, in the beginning, why you have not written a headline saying it's a contact us? If the page is related to login or register, you should write a headline called login and register. People will open the page and they'll feel what is this page. This page, why I'm filling the form here, right? So that is called what? User experience. Correct. So in that case, every page headline is required. Now HTML has given all 6 tags. H1 to H6. H1 is the largest font size and H6 is the smallest font size. Okay. In that smallest to largest, difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay. The first is the biggest and last is the smallest. Then, whenever we create a web page, every page H1 is compulsory one time, not multiple times. H1 is required only one time. If you follow more than one time, then similar font will come 2 times. Right? Reader, search engine will feel like which is the main headline, first one or second one. See, human is understand. Okay, you cannot convince to the robots. Robots say like, I know that I have algorithm saying like in one page H1 will be there, that will be the main keyword. If H1 repeat again, I will be confused. I don't know which is your main keyword. Correct? So what we'll write, every page H1 is required how many times? One time. H2, H3, H4, 5, you keep writing in one time. There's no such difference. Okay. Right inside. Follow the H1 tag and write any single word, and that will repeat 6 times under the each one. So suppose I'll write here called website development. Website development. One place I wrote under H1. I'll write again H2, same content. Website development. Development. Right? Again follow the another tag. H3, website development. Follow again one more called H4. Write inside called website development. Write one more called H5. Inside also website development. Add one more last one H6. Here also write called website development. Everywhere same content. Everywhere same content. After that, file is auto save. No need to save it. Or you can go to the file and there is a button called, there is option called save. Okay. Now we need to run this file. How will run? I've written. See, there is option here called run. Go to the run. Inside the run, you will find the option called start debugging. Another one is called run without debugging. HTML file, only HTML we have. No need to debug anything. Just select the second option. Run without debugging. It will ask which browser you want to run. Select Chrome, Mozilla, IE, anything, whichever the browser you have. So I have Chrome, I'll select the Chrome. Then automatically this page will come in the Google. Not Google, it will come in the browser. Right? Then you can see H1 is the biggest font size and H6 is the smallest font size. Right? Common thing, common behavior of all is what? All are printing in the new line. So all are called the block level element, block level tag. Okay. Another common thing what you have, all are open close. You can see all are open close. Right? All are open close, that's represent the dependent tag. And when we go on to the browser, we saw all are printing in the new line, that is called a block level tag, block level element. Try once, write it and run once. Even you can message me also once in the chat, like for how many people it's working. You can message once, is it working or not? Okay, working. Everyone should try, okay? Now next, after that, after writing this, add one more tag in the same file, P tag. Hard copy book we read, newspaper also we read, correct? In the newspaper or hard copy books, when we read the content, you will see the contents will be block wise, paragraph wise, correct? Paragraph word come from where? From hard copy book only. So here instead of saying paragraph, you will call it a P, right? We can also call it a paragraph tag, but the tag name is P only. Okay, right? Using this P tag, whenever you want to display the bulk text, maybe 3 lines, 4 lines, mostly more than 130 characters. Okay, more than 130 characters. Whenever you want to display the content, you can use this paragraph tag, right? Especially for text, if you have alphanumeric lot of content, you can use the P tag. Like if you want to display like a book paragraph, this is especially to display the text data in a web page. Okay. Right? So we can write here. This is from P tag. This is from P tag. Use me to display bulk text in web page. Use me to display bulk text in web page. Whenever you have more content textual data, you can use the P tag to display inside the web page. Right? If I run this file, again we can see it is paragraph is a block level tag, it will print in the name. So same time, what you can do, suppose if your page is already running, in the browser you cannot run again. You need to stop it. You can see here your debugger is here. This one not debugger. You can say that control of the page it is here. You need to stop it. Okay, and then only you can run again. Else you need to go to the browser and refresh the same page. Okay, from here also it looks like refresh option. Let's restart. Right. So now hope we are written. Come to developer guide again. In developer guide, right below list of tags element in HTML. So when you read some theory from internet, you will find this word very frequently. That is called element. Element. Okay. All the tags. Like suppose we wrote H1 to H6 now. So in the term of HTML, it will be called as a tag. But the same thing once you come in JavaScript, we will call it an element. Okay. Element. So when you read some theory from internet or watch any video, people will use frequently this word. Which word? Not tags. People will use the word called element. Okay. So if it is related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript related, right? Element will prefer most of the time which one? HTML tags. Okay. Even one more name is there. That is called this one selector. Okay, selector. So when we call it a selector, I think I have written in the beginning somewhere. Yes, we are written here, no? Tags, selector, element, as well as JSX element, right? So you are already aware of that point. Come down. Now right here, you have written H1 to H6. H1 to H6. What we should do of that? Okay, it used to create the headline of web page. Create headline of web page. It used to create the headline of web page. Okay, right? It said it used to create the headline of web page. Now come down. Now come down. Right here, use H1. Use H1 minimum and maximum one time in each page, for better user experience and content accessibility. Right? So what is it? H1 we should use at least one time in our page, not at least, minimum maximum use only one time. The reason is it is going to help you to increase the visibility of the content as well as it will increase the accessibility of the content. Okay, when the Google search engine look into your page, right, the page content will be easy to scan. This is spelling look like wrong. I'll check once. Okay, accessibility. This is the right spelling. SII left. Okay, come next. Now right below one more point, what you wrote for p tag, right? P tag. Use it. Use the p tag. Use the p tag to display bulk text like more than 130 characters. Okay. Use the p tag to display the bulk text like more than 130 characters, in the sense character. Right. Come next. Next, after that, we'll leave this file and we'll go for another file. In the next file, we'll try to understand the next level of tag, that is called type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. Okay, so we have written this HTML developer guide. So page 2, I'll leave it. Then create another file, page 3. Page 3.html. Create next file, page 3.html. In page 3.html, start from HTML again, follow the head part. Okay, or I'll suggest you don't write head as of now. Once time will come, we'll write it. Now HTML and body, two things only you write and implement the remaining tags which we want to learn. HTML, after HTML, we follow called body tag. Inside the body tag, write one H1. Put here type of order list, type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. Okay. Type of list in HTML. We have three type of list: order list, unordered list, as well as definition list. So first to write call, use a tag called bold tag. Right inside OL is nothing but order list example. Order list example. OL, UL, and DL. Three type of tag. We have order list, unordered list, and definition list. Under unordered list, we have 4 types. Under the order list, we have 5 types. Under the definition list, we have only 1 type. Okay, so rotate order list example. Come now. And follow the tag called OL, not 01, OL. It is called OL. Order list. It's a parent tag. Start the OL. Come inside, follow the LI. It is called list item. List item. List item. List item. Okay. Next, add below few item name. Suppose apple. Milk. Next, LI. Rice. Next, LI. Something. So we added total 4 items, and one is the main LI list item. We'll save it, and we'll see what is the meaning of order list. How that appear. How that appear. Okay. Right, so let's run it. Run, inside the run again. You can select run without debugging and save. In the browser, it will show you something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By default is the default order list. By default, order will come as a 1, 2, 3. Default order will come as a 1, 2, 3. Check once. Let me know also whether your page is running or not. After writing, try running the page. Able to run? Now come to the same code and write here type equal to, you will ask what is the type. So type is the attribute name. You can also call it a property. Type is the attribute name, or you can also call it a property. Type, we have to specify what type of order list we want. We have not mentioned any type. So by default, order was coming as a 1, 2, 3. Right? It is total 5 types. It can be ABCD, it can be Roman 1, 2, 3, it can be uppercase Roman 1, 2, 3, or it can be lowercase ABCD. So 5 types we have. Now you write here type equal to 1. You will see the result remain same. Type equal to 1 you write, you will see the result remain same. The reason is by default order list type is 1 only. By default is 1. So that will remain same. No changes in that. Right? And then we'll go to the developer guide. First we'll make how many type of list we have. Then we'll come back this file and we'll add remaining. Okay, so you are going on writing. This text can be anything, any text you can add. You can add some people name also, you can add no problem. LI open, LI close, and add inside the any text. Come to developer guide. Write inside type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. Right below, one call OL order list. Second one UL unordered list. Third one DL definition list. OL, UL, DL. OL, UL, and DL. In OL case, you can write type of OL. Inside the OL case, we can write following type. Type equal to 1. It will give you 1, 2, 3. Type equal to capital A. It will give you capital ABCD. Order, the 1, 2, 3 order I generated, it will convert into next type equal to a small I. Next type equal to capital I. So a small I, right? One more type we have, we can add type equal to a small a. So this is total 5 types of order list we have. 1, 2, 3, uppercase ABCD, lowercase ABCD, a small Roman 1, 2, 3, as well as capital Roman 1, 2, 3. Come to the second one, that is called UL. UL. Type equal to we have for disk. It will give dot 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 symbol. DISC, disk. Second, we have type equal to square. Third, we have type equal to circle. Disk, square, and circle. That is called disk. So this is all what we have. In the term of HTML, it is called an unordered list, an order list. But when you open the MS Word, inside the MS Word, when you create the document and inside you point 1, 2, 3, that is called a bullets and numbering. Okay, so in MS Word, feature is called bullets and numbering, whereas in HTML is called the order list and unordered list. Once we mix both order list and order list, or maybe we can create one more next level called a nested order list or nested unordered list. So written how many types total? 5 plus 4, 9 types. We'll go to the page 3 and we'll implement this all. We'll see how that looks and what is that. Okay, ready? Come to the page 3 file. Under the page 3 file, we can write here next order list. Follow the OL. Inside the next OL, you can write. So first one, you can write under the, okay, or first let it be, right here, second one. H2, type equal to A. Type equal to A. So heading will come type equal to A. Right here, OL type equal to this one, a small a. So it is going to print the a small ABCD. Inside that, put some city name. Okay. Bangalore. Next LI, Chennai. Next LI, Mumbai. Next LI, something in it. Add this. This will have a number as a, not number, ABCD will come. This order list will be order as a ABCD in lowercase. ABCD in lowercase. Let me run this file now. Type equal to A, see what is coming. You can see is appear here, type equal to A, and then below what is the type? ABCD, correct? From that area. Right, the next one. So hope we are writing, right? This is the best way to learn something. Okay, so you practice it. You don't have to repeat the notes. One side you are writing the notes, the other side you are implementing. Together you will remember everything. You can on that switch once, switch that switch. Extension is there. Come down. So write the next one, H2. Type equal to capital A. Type equal to capital A. Again we follow here OL. And right inside type equal to capital A. Type equal to capital A. Now right inside some technology name, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. This will give an order list as a ABCD uppercase. This will also give order list, but it will be ABCD in uppercase. If once you can again go to the run and run without debugging, page will open. You can see inside you have 3 type of order, 1, 2, 3, a small ABCD as well as capital ABCD. You can reply in chat once you wrote and running, then we'll write the next one. If you have completed till here as well as if your page is running, you can let me know in chat, from there we can write something here. Three people tried, working as well. Working for 4 people. What about others? Not trying? Yeah, go ahead then. After OL, this one, this 3 type you follow. Come, 2 more we have. Right next H3 or H2, what we follow? H2. Keep inside type equal to a small I. Type equal to a small I. Follow the OL tag again. Right below. Type equal to I. A small I. Follow inside the LI. LI. Add some role responsibility. UI developer. App developer. Full stack developer. DBA. Right, sequence and order list. So this will come Roman 1, 2, 3, lowercase. Write one more here, just after this, H2. H2. Type equal to capital I. OL open close. We can add this. Capital I. Add below some kind of service name. software development, marketing, education, okay, so today, save now, replacements. We will find capital, Roman 1 to 3 will come. So how many type of order list? 5 types. Okay. Now if anyone asks, I want to start from 10. We don't want to start from 1. What to do? We want to start from the D. We don't want to start from A. Correct?
Start with yours.
They have a property, start property. Using a start property, we can set the initial starting point. From there, it will start printing. In the case of alphabets, A, B, C, D, you have to find. Like suppose if you want to say start from D. So you have to find out what is the position of D. A, B, C, D, right? 4th position. You have to write a start equal to 4. Then it will start from where? D directly. Okay, so that character we need to count and then we need to give that position. From there it will start directly. So let's go to the first one. Or anywhere you can write a start equal to, I'll write for the last only, a start equal to 5. So directly it will start from where? 5th number. It will not start from 1. It will say direct start equal to 500. So it will start from the 500 directly. Sequence. Start equal to 5. See where it will be starting from. Enter. Here. Start equal to 5 I have written. Starting from where? 5 directly. In the case of ABCD, let me go. In the case of ABCD, also we'll write a start equal to 6. So on 6th position, which character will come, it will start from there. Go next. Sequence. D, where is it start from? D start 6 given starting from the F directly. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah. F is available on 6th position. So it start from the F directly. So work for everyone. Order list, hope you completed. Come to the next file. That is called page 4.html. Page 4.html. Create next file. Page 4.html. We'll start again from HTML in page 4. Follow the body tag. For body tag, we can use a property called BG color, sky blue. Sky blue. So the page background will turn into the sky blue color. The page background will convert into sky blue color. Okay. Now go inside that. Follow the H1. Right call UL unordered list. Unordered list. UL open close. First, you can write under the H2, type as a disk. Disk. Type equal to disk. Type equal to disk. Follow the 𝕊𝖊𝖆, home, about us, conductors, register. Now it will give you dot dot dot. That is called disk. Follow one more. H1 I have written, this will be H2. H2. Again I'll follow here H2. Square. The UL, close the UL. And same 𝕊𝖊𝖆 you can copy and paste. And write type equal to none. Okay, not none, square. Type equal to square. It will give you a square symbol. Coming, square symbol. We can run this file same way. We can see like this: disk dot 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 square symbol. Right next, H2 circle. You will open close. Type equal to circle. Same 𝕊𝖊𝖆 you can copy paste here. Add the same 𝕊𝖊𝖆. It will give you the circle symbol. Disk, square, and then circle. Okay, done till here. Next, after this, one more we have, that is called none. Type below. Another H2. None. You will open close. Type equal to none. Type equal to none. It will not have any indicator. It will come as a plain text. The group is ready for 2 p.m. You can add me as well as add everyone. Okay, I will allow them to message you in that number, this number, that 888 number, this number, and you can add it. I will guide them. And then through group we can communicate, will be following too many people here there. Okay, so hope you added type equal to none. It is showing as a normal text. So this is called as a order list and unordered list. Next we need to see called definition list. That is called DL. But DL we'll see in